Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a really pretty set of pink nails. So I just went ahead and wiped the nails off, and the first color that I'm using is by Elite 99. As you can see, it's like a really light pink with some shimmer in it, and it's really light, but once the light hits it and once we do the second coat, it's going to be a bit more noticeable. But it is a gel polish. Again, it is by Elite 99, and I'm gonna try to find the color and link to it, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description if I find it. But again, we're gonna go ahead and do this on all the fingers, and of course we're gonna be curing each coat for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so same thing on the other hand. We're going to go ahead and do a coat of this light pink on this hand. And again, as you can see, whenever I kind of turn the finger around, you're able to see that shimmer. But it is a really pretty shimmery light pink. It's really pretty, but it's more noticeable in the light and then once we do the second coat. But we're going to go ahead and finish this hand off, and again we're going to be curing each coat for 30 seconds, and I'm using my Melody Susie UV LED lamp, and I'll leave the link in the description to that as well. And we're going to go ahead and do the second coat on both hands as well, and then curing again for 30 seconds. As you can see, it's a bit more noticeable, but again, it's not supposed to be super bright. We just want that shimmer on the nails. Alrighty, so once we finish doing the two coats of that Elite 99 gel polish, we're going to go in with this D&D hot pink in the color Fuchsia Touch, and again this is a gel polish as well, and we're just going to outline the tip of the two stiletto nails on each hand. So again, we're just going to outline the tip, as you can see I'm doing here, and we're literally just using like that corner of the brush. And again, this is in the color Fuchsia Touch by D&D, and I get these from my local nail supply store, but I'll try to look for the link where I've seen them before. Alrighty, so we're going to cure that one for 30 seconds, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. But I didn't realize that, I guess she hadn't put this hand into the light or something, but that gel polish was not cured yet. So I went ahead and put it under the light again. And now I'm going in with my Mia Secret gel resin, my wax pencil, and some bling, and we're just going to be placing it on the nail, of course, and we're just going to be adding a few different little pieces on there. And again, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, which is the one that I always use. As you guys know, it works really good for me. I have no problems with it. And then of course I also use the Mia Secret gel resin activator, which is the spray that helps that glue dry. Now the glue will dry on itself, but it is going to take a little bit longer to dry. And then also with the activator, I honestly feel like the bling just stay on longer when you spray them with the activator, because I just feel like it like freezes the glue into place. But again, it's not necessary, but I do recommend it. So we're also going to be applying a few other pieces on all of the nails. So again, I'm just using my wax pencil. I'm using some of my larger pieces, as well as my AB, SS6, and SS12. And as always, just apply your glue wherever you want the bling. Pick up the bling with your wax pencil and just place it on the nail, and then afterwards I just spray them with the activator. Alrighty, so now I am going to be applying some bigger pieces as well on the thumb. And for that, of course, we're going to be using the hard gel. We pick up some with the gel brush. And then with the wax pencil, we just pick up those bigger pieces and just place them right in the middle. And then we're going to have to cure this one for 30 seconds. Again, the Mia Secret Gel Resin, you do not have to cure, but the hard gel that I use for the bigger pieces do have to be cured. I'm also going to be using some smaller ones around the bigger pieces. And for those, I'm using, of course, my Mia Secret Gel Resin. So again, I use the hard gel for the 3D pieces, and then the Mia Secret Gel Resin for the flat pieces, sorry. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and finish off this hand and moving on to the next one. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and do the other hand. Again, I had to cure this hand again before I did the pink outline because it wasn't cured all the way. So now I'm just going back in with the Fuchsia Touch by D&D, and we're literally just outlining the tip, and then of course cleaning around the sides to make sure that we remove some of that polish on the skin. And we're doing that to the stiletto nails. As you can see, they look really pretty with just the outline, and then those two pinks go really good together. But after we do this, we're going to place this hand back under the UV LED lamp for another 30 seconds, and then we're going to finish off this hand with the IBD gel top coat. As you guys know, this is the top coat that I always use. I have no issues with it at all. I know some people are saying that they were having problems with it cracking, which I haven't experienced that with this brand. I have experienced that with, what was it? I think it was Koopa or some other company, and I did send that back, but I have not had any issues with this one at all with cracking or yellowing or nothing that. As you guys know, I've been using this top coat for a long time, and that is the IBD gel top coat. But once we finish doing this hand, we're going to go ahead and put it under the light for 60 seconds, and then we're going to finish off the other hand. Alrighty, so we put that hand under the light for 60 seconds, and now we're going to go ahead and finish this hand off. So again, we're using the Mia Secret Gel Resin, and we're using the wax pencil, some big pieces, and then the SS6 and SS12 AB rhinestones. So again, we're just going to place the glue and then place the bling with the wax pencil, and afterwards I'm just going to spray the nails with the activator. So whenever you do see me spray something on the nails, it is the Mia Secret Gel Resin activator. I get that question a lot, and again, no, you do not have to cure the Mia Secret Gel Resin. It is called a gel resin because it is like a more of a gel consistency, because it's more like, it's thicker than regular gel would be, but you do not have to cure it. Again, you can use the activator, which will basically like instantly dry that glue, but if you let it air dry, it's just going to take a little bit longer, but it will dry on its own. So again, we're going to go ahead and finish this hand off, and after this we're going to go ahead and do the top coat on this one as well. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. That shimmery color is so pretty, and then that hot pink just, oh, it's so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.